Well, we're back in the Zilker demonstration bed. I hope everyone enjoyed the full corn moon the other night. August is usually the harvest moon, but corn moon this year because the harvest moon is going to be in October. 2 full moons in October. So we have some corn that we've started in the demonstration bed. This will be a Three Sisters garden. Very traditional Native American intercropping planting method where you start corn. When the corn is about 6 inches tall, you plant the beans. The beans will wrap around the corn for structure. The beans also are nitrogen fixing and help that corn that's a heavy feeder. And then we plant the squash, which will be the ground cover and help protect some of these. Also, sunflowers would have been planted as a pollinator. So today we're going to plant a tatumi squash. If you haven't heard of the tatumi squash, it's a squash from Mexico, well suited for our temperatures, which can still be kind of hot through September. And also one of the squash that is least affected by the squash vine borer. Which if you've tried to grow zucchinis and other things, just plant several of them because squash vine borers can be a problem. You can cover them and then as the flowers open, try to let some pollinators in. You can also cover that main stem at the base with aluminum foil to stop those squash vine borers from laying the eggs on the main stem. In you go.